Hello everyone, welcome to today's class. So far under the comparing numbers we learned several things like how to find the largest number and how many numbers we can generate, how many numbers we can generate by using shifting method. Using all these techniques we understood how to arrange the numbers in ascending and descending, okay, and also we understood how to write the numbers in terms of words. So far we learned all those things, but now we are going to, this is the last section of comparing numbers. We are going to study about using a comma, okay, how to use a comma in the large numbers and in the Indian system of numeration, and also we will understand how to read the large numbers in the international system of numeration. We study these things in this session, okay. Without much delay we will start. Welcome to my channel Educate to Grow. All my sessions are divided to subsection topic. You can jump directly to specific content whichever you want during the session. Now let us understand how to use comma to interpret large numbers by putting comma at different intervals. In Indian system, the comma will start after the 3 digit, that is hundreds. After that every 2 digit ones, that is a 10th position. In the international, for the comma will be start every 3 digit, that is a 100th position of the whole number. Let us put one example here. One number here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 8 7 6. Okay, in Indian system we put first comma here, so we read it as 4321. When we comes to here 54,321, we put one more comma here, means every 2 places one comma. Now we call this one as a 6 lakh 54,321, so on. Now we will put one more comma in Indian system, that is every 10 lakh. So in here it is 10 lakh, 76 lakh 54,321. Then it is 8 crore, and this is the 10th position of the crore. We will put one more here, 98. We won't put here, it is a 98 crore. 98 crore 76 lakh. To read complete this one, this is 898 crores 76 lakh 54,321. When it goes to the next, it will be 7,898 crores 76 lakh 54,321 rupees. When it goes to the at this location, 67,898. How we read it here? Same, 54,321. Similar way we had to read 67,898. Then we had to tell crores when we apply the comma at Indian system. Let us look into international system. In the international system, every 3 digit we put comma here. Okay, let's see here. Here $321 or whatever international system. International is a dollar always. $321. Okay, and $4,321, $54,000. That here is once again they will also use 1,000 and 10,000, not issue. When we use lakh, they will talk in terms of 100,000. When we say 1 lakh, they will say 100,000. For example, at this moment, it's a 654,100,321. 654,100,321, like that. If it is 100, 100,321, something like that. Okay. So next, when it goes to the immediately next 987, let's go with this one first. This is 1 million. This is called 1 million. This is 10 million. This is 100 million. Okay. So 7,654,100,321. 7,654,321, like that they will read. When it comes to the 87 million, when it comes to the 9, it's a 987 million. For example, if it is 9 here, 999. When it goes to the immediate next, it will be like, then it will be 1. Like that time it will be 0. Now here this is called 1 billion. This is 10 billion. This is 100 billion. Okay, so like that the numbering system will be read. So this is the international system. Whatever you see in the below, the top one is the Indian standard system of numbering. So let's go with a couple of examples, so it will be more understanding on this using comma. Let us start the exercise on the comparison numbers and whatever we studied so far. We have question here, fill in the blanks. 1 lakh equal to 10,000. We have to fill what is the number here. So 1 lakh, let me write 1 lakh here. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So here and here comma I'll put it. So here 1 lakh. 10,000 means here 10,000 is how much? 10,000. 4 zeros. 1 0 2 3 4 5 digits and 4 zeros into, if you multiply with the 10 you will get 1 lakh. Okay, so this 10 is the answer to update here. 10,000. 1 lakh equal to 10,000 into, okay, this is how we have to fill. Now let's go to second example. 1 million is, this is the position of the 1 million. This is position of 1 million. So 1 million means here, 0 here. So million means they're asking to put 3 comma at the third position, 1 million. So 1 million equal to how many 100,000? This is 100,000 range. Okay, so 100,000 into 10. So once again it here, 10 into 100,000. That is the answer. 1 crore. Let me put here 1 crore. Let me remove the comma. So 1 crore equal to here. Okay, 10 lakh is here. So let me put 10 lakh. Okay, 1 0 0 0 0 0 0. So this is 10 lakh. Okay, into 10 you will get 1 crore. 1 crore. So here 1 crore equal to 10 into 10 lakh. 1 crore equal to how many millions? 1 crore right now, how many millions? This is 1 million. This is 10 million. This is 10 million. Okay, 1 million equal to how many lakh? Here is a 1 million. Okay, so we can remove here, can put it here 1 million. 1 million equal to 10 lakh. Okay, so this is 10 lakh. These are the answers for these questions. So make sure before attempting this question, try to put this table and make sure name it properly, each block in Indian system as well as in the international system. So whenever you get the number systems here, you can fill immediately and try to analyze it yourself, and you will get to know the right answer at the right time. Okay, let's move to the next question. Here, insert commas suitably and write the name according to the Indian system of the numeration. First, last, start with this number. What it is this? This is 2 6 7 5 9 5 7 8. Let me put comma according to the Indian system. This is comma, this is comma, here comma. So it's 8 crore. Okay, 75 lakh 95,762. So this is how we need to write here for this. Okay, let's go with the next one. Next one is this one, 3 8 2 6 4 5 8. So let me put comma as per the Indian standard. It's a 85 lakh. It's a 85 lakh 46,283 rupees. Okay, like this. Let me go to next question answer. 6 4 3 zeros 999. So let me put a comma system here, here, and here. So this is a 9 crore 99 lakh 46 rupees. 46 only. It is just 46. So like this you have to write. Now this one, 1 0 7 2 3 4 8 9. Let me put comma 2. Okay, so once again 9 crore 84 lakh, okay, 32,701, like that. Let's go with the next example. Here, insert a comma suitably and write the names according to the international system. Let's put here 2 9 0 1 2 9 8 7. Okay, now let me put comma here every 3 once. So 78 million in international system, 78 million 922,092. So this is how it is, naming convention. Let me put the second one, 3 8 2 2 5 4 7. Let me put comma 3 after 3 comma. This is a 7 million. Okay, 7,452,283. Okay, like this you have to write. This is done. This is also done. Next, go to this one, 2 0 1 5 8 9 9 9. Let me put comma after 3 digit. Okay, this is a 99,985,102. That's it. Okay, this is done. Let me take another one. 1 3 8 9 4 084. This is once again a form comes under million. This is a 10th position. Here it is 48 million. 48 million 49,831, like that. Okay, so we have to type like that. So next we will go to the next exercise. Here place commas correctly and write the numerals. 73 lakh 75,307. Okay, we'll type it here. 703 75 373. So this is 75 lakh. This is how we have to write. Okay, now 9 crore 5 lakh 41. Okay, let me type it here. 9 crore 5 lakh 41. Put 0. Okay, this is the answer. Next 7 crore 52 lakh 21,302. So this is how we have to write, comma comma comma. Okay, next 58 million 58 million 58 million, because this is 10th position, it's a 100 position, this is a single position. So this is 58 million 423,202. So this is how it should be. Okay, next 23 lakh 30,010. 23 lakh. So 23 lakh 30,010. 30,010. Okay, so this is Indian system. This is how it should be, right? Let us go through the summary. What we studied so far now. We understood how to read Indian system of numeration using comma. This is for the larger numbers. And also we understood how to read international system of numeration using comma. And we also understood when we can read as a million, when we can read a billion, so on. So also we looked at a couple of exercises at the end of the chapter under the section comparing numbers. So these are the things we studied so far in different sections. Coming to next, we are going to study on large number system in practice. Means it means how we can use the large numbers in a practical way, and how exactly it will help us to understand that we are going to study. And also we are going to study estimation and round off along with this one. That is the upcoming session. Thank you for joining this class, and I hope everyone understood the content. Please comment it. Kindly subscribe and share to your friends and students. Okay, thank you very much. We'll meet in the next session.